Yo, what is up YouTube? Eric_Gaming_YT here. We are back again with another Roblox video. I just found a method about how you can play Roblox on 2 accounts on 1 computer. So first up, we're going to go to here. And we're going to go to Microsoft Store. It's not going to load properly. I don't like that things. You go to the search bar and spell Roblox. Okay, good. What the heck is that? I didn't even meant to press that. Okay, there's Roblox. I installed it. You guys have to install it and then click play. I want a sister account and there's me to click that so they can join the game. And just in case, I said play. Let's play the game that was made by me. It's like basically a normal base play, but it's not that kind of normal. We can just role play and anime and those stuff. This is a tutorial. I'm doing this really quick because my sister's gonna get out of the shower and then shower. Obviously, you're going to find. Oh, that loads. I'm gonna be joining. Oh, where's the refresh page? They still have a refresh page. Sorry guys, my thing loads. I need to fix that. I just got all in. Perfect. Okay, now I click join game. And we have to wait till someone joins the server. Now we have to wait till my sister joins the server. I gotta show you proof that it's loading in. Oh great, I think it just froze. They're not joining in the server or not. Oh, guys, I guess I'll pause the video and then. Oh, there you go. See?